talk about mental health challenges and coping strategies for the same. I'm Dr. Simran Kalre and I'm going to be taking today's session. Mental health is a very important aspect of our life. It has gained a lot of popularity in the recent years. A lot of people suffer through one or the other mental health challenges. Mental health challenges can vary from simple pessimistic thoughts, depression, anxiety, right up to suicidal thoughts and actual attempts of suicide. It can also include sequelae of the same disorders like addictions and self-harm. Mental health is the biggest challenge that the world is facing right now. People in college, there's a research which states that every other student goes through depression in their college years. College years is the prime time of our life. It is the time when we have to cope up with a lot of different kind of stresses, right from academic stress, family pressure, personal stress, then expectations of the world. We have to meet so many different criteria in our life that sometimes it's difficult for us to cope up with. Something or the other might trigger a person, and that same trigger will not be a trigger for everyone. Someone might feel bad if you talk about their body, and some other person might not feel bad about it. It varies from person to person. Anything can be a trigger. If a person is triggered, that can lead them to feel up in such a negative manner which can aggravate their condition. It is okay. Going through something which is going to affect them mentally, it's okay to go through something like that. But to take help, to work on your mental health is very important. So I'm going to talk about some coping strategies today. First of all, accept the fact that your mental health is your priority. It's above anything and everything else. College, personal life, your parental expectations, expectations of the society, expectations of the friend, they come second. First is your mental health. That's your priority. Make sure that your mental health is optimum and people and anything is not affecting them. Then acceptance. If you are going through something, it's okay. It is okay to go through something. But accepting that you are going through something which is affecting your life, it's very important. Once you have done that, then you can go further and take help for the same condition. Second, identify the triggers. Anything right from a small comment to a big disastrous situation can be a trigger for a person. You can never identify a trigger. That is okay. A person who has not gone through the same condition might not even feel that it is a trigger. Identify your triggers. Once you identify the triggers, then it will make it easier for you to avoid those triggers. You can take precautionary measures. You can try to avoid those triggers. If you know that you're gonna get triggered, you can prepare your mind accordingly pre-hand. Then ask for help. It's okay. Asking for help is okay. It does not make you smaller. In fact, identifying your problem and asking for help might also motivate someone who is in need for the same thing and is scared of asking for help. Ask your friends, ask your parents, ask your doctors, ask your teachers. Anyone can be of help in this situation. Talk to your friends, rant about certain situation which is bothering you. Rant about situations which are a trigger for you. Talk to them. What are friends for? They're there for your help. Anything that is bothering you, and if you're going to keep it inside, it will just burst one day like a pressure cooker. Just talk to them, rant. It's all friendship is all about ranting, taking help, helping them. Just talk to them. Talk to your parents. I know their generation might not understand this, but if you sit down and explain it to them, it might just help you. They'll understand if it's affecting your quality of life. They'll understand if it's affecting your personal life, your professional life. It's okay. They'll just help. Just talk to them once. Ask help from your teachers. Teachers are a source of guidance. They tend to know when something is wrong with you. They tend to know what can be a right way. They are a good guidance system. Just talk to them. Ask for help. They'll guide you in the right way. If necessary, go to a psychiatrist. Go to a psychologist, they'll help. It's okay to go to them. It's not a taboo. It doesn't make you a mentally ill person. It's okay. They can help you find strategies which can improve your health. Doesn't have to be always something that you have to do on your own. Like help from people. Find strategies which will help you in a manner that you can prevent and improve your mental health. Certain people like to journal, write down what is bothering you, when was it bothering you, what people were involved, what things were involved. Basically, whatever your trigger was, start journaling them so that you can keep an account of the same thing. And also start, there's something called as a 5-minute good journal. Just start doing that. In that, you can write about 3 things that you are thankful for in a day, 3 things that affected you, 3 things that made you feel good, 3 things that you did good for someone else. Just keep on writing these things every day, and you will realize that you are not only the negative things in your life but also the positive thing in your life. Accept yourself. Accept that you might not be able to fulfill everyone's expectations. It's okay. Accept that you can do whatever you are capable of doing. You are not the worst person, but you are what you are. Accept that. Company. What company you keep around yourself matters a lot when it comes to your mental health. You need people around you who will improve your mental health, who will help you think positively, who will have positive impact on your life. People who have a negative impact on your life just drag you down. Just make sure that you are around people who positively improve your mental health. It is very important, and you need to identify people who will help you go through the same. Accept it that you alone can do a lot of things. You alone can achieve a lot of things. Try to enjoy your life. Try to enjoy your life in a way that you can identify what helps you. Thank you.
This is an exciting opportunity for both practicing physiotherapists as well as graduating or master's level students in musculoskeletal medicine to get a comprehensive hands-on workshop. To register for the course, easiest way is to just email us at all.pune@gmail.com. Once again, it's an exciting opportunity of hands-on course all day long, 4 days with post-test, and I hope to see you all there. Thank you.